bit of a lean, and there's a reason for that. Just as we were at the gas station filling up gas, we have developed a flat which Karsten is going to try and inflate. So we've come 3 kilometres since inflating the tyre and it's starting to go down again. It seems like it's the valve stem. Karsten's inside talking to them now.
Yeah, as we have seen at the fuel stop, we had a problem with one of our tyres, and thanks God we are in Maryborough, and there's a tyre center set up for trucks like us. Big enough, it's Bob's Tyre Center, and we didn't have to wait. They have just started and we found already out what is actually the problem.
So, what's the problem?
We're having a big void in our tyre.
The car's so noisy.
Yeah,
We found the problem.
tyre problems. There's a big void. And the tube need to be changed. Thanks God we are close to a city and we found it out during our fuel stop.
It happened really quickly.
We made it up to here, yeah.
We must have just picked it up on the highway because we were fine yesterday.
Yeah.
And this morning we walked around, it was fine. So
Yeah.
let the magicians do their job. That's a cool machine. Thank you.
Now starts the difficult part.
Get a bit of chalk and mark it out. Hey? Yeah.
And the shocker is it probably just happened just on the highway.
And we're having another job in front of us. We need to wash the truck somewhere to get all the sand off from the island in Fraser.
Before it corrodes. And can you show the other damage you just pointed out? Small one.
That damage.
On the mud flap.
Oh yeah, and we have lost.
Lost the strip. Who knows?
We have lost a piece of our mud flaps. I was planning anyway to cut them shorter. Will be the next job. Maybe today in the afternoon or tomorrow. But yeah, they are too long. We had the big void in our tire and we're losing the air. Most likely we have picked it up on the petrol station. And thanks God we found this tire shop because they are really set up for our problem. They have the equipment and they have the tubes there, and it looks like we are in a couple of minutes back on the road.
There she is.
There she is, yeah.
Bad tyres already out.
The tire is already out and the tube is already in the trash bin. So hopefully it should be ready soon. And then we can continue. We need to fill up our fridge after Fraser Island. And longer than expected on Fraser Island.
Yeah. We've got like 2 onions and 2 apples.
Yeah.
and a couple of eggs left.
Okay, one dinner we would have. We have one dinner ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then tomorrow Hervey Bay.
A few moments later.
Job is basically done. Just the wheel nuts, and then we can go and continue. So the job is done. We are good to go. And guess how much was it? $60. We're really grateful for this job. Thank you, Bob's Tires. After our misfortune with the Tyre, we thought we are staying in Maryborough. It is actually an RV-friendly town, and they're having a 48-hour stopover for RVs. And we thought we would give it a try. It looks okay so far. Rose is for shopping. We had to fill up our fridge after this 1 week on Fraser Island, and our fridge is basically empty. So Rose is coming back from the shopping. Looks a little bit wild that she has to carry that stuff. But as I was saying, I was setting up the caravan. But I think I have to let her know now what was going on here in the last minutes. So someone was yelling at me and using really bad language. And F tourists, get away from here, it's our place, and blah 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 blah. Yeah, what? Yeah, I don't know if he would stay here over the night. He was one of these, let me say, local residents. Yeah, that's not good. Maybe we have to look for somewhere else. Okay.
So we decided to stay at Dune Villa, self-contained RV park. It's a big open flat area and lots of campers here.
$10.
With showers, hot showers and toilets.
Good.
Wow, so
Yeah.
that's where we are. Here we are, about to get set up.
And it looks very peaceful.
It does look peaceful. Yeah,
I think no drama.
right by the airport and no street noise really.
Okay, and no local residents which like to, yeah, I don't know how to say it.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Good.
Let us get ready here.
Yep, set up time.